Friends, make sure you stay with this video until the very end, especially if you're over 60 and want to remain active, healthy, and full of energy. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Here we talk openly, honestly, and without unnecessary embarrassment, and you'll discover things that even many doctors rarely discuss. After the age of 60, most men and women start dealing with poorer blood circulation in the pelvic region, and this influences everything: your intimate life, urinary and reproductive health, bowel function, hormonal balance, and even your emotional state. Yet almost nobody speaks about it openly, and that's a mistake, because there are simple methods to improve blood flow, and your morning routine plays an important role in this process. So why does circulation become weaker with age? As time passes, blood vessels lose elasticity, the muscles in the pelvic area weaken, congestion may appear, and lymphatic drainage slows down. In addition, the hormones responsible for supporting healthy circulation begin to decrease. All of this reduces blood supply to the organs located in the pelvic region. For men, this may affect potency, the prostate, and the bladder. For women, sensitivity can decline while the chances of inflammation and organ prolapse may increase. Now comes the most important question. What should you eat in the morning to stimulate blood flow in these lower areas of the body? The answer is simple. Foods that support blood vessels, enhance microcirculation, and increase energy levels. Let's look at the best choices. First, walnuts with honey. Not only is this combination tasty, but it's also extremely beneficial. Walnuts are packed with arginine, an amino acid that helps expand blood vessels, while honey supports the cardiovascular system. The method is easy. Eat 2 or 3 walnuts with 1 teaspoon of honey on an empty stomach in the morning. Second, warm water with lemon and a pinch of cayenne pepper. This drink gently stimulates circulation, speeds up metabolism, and activates your circulatory system. Simply squeeze the juice from half a lemon, add a small pinch of cayenne pepper, and pour warm water over it. Drink it immediately after waking up. Third, eggs with green vegetables and olive oil. Eggs contain choline, which nourishes the nervous system and helps maintain vascular health. Fresh greens, especially parsley and basil, are known to improve circulation. Cook your eggs in a small amount of olive oil and add a little sea salt. Fourth, a few pieces of dark chocolate in the morning. You may begin noticing better circulation, not only in your head, but throughout your entire body. Fifth, tomatoes or tomato juice. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens blood vessels and improves blood flow. Drink a glass of tomato juice before breakfast, or add fresh tomatoes to your eggs. Sixth, garlic. It is one of the strongest natural stimulants for circulation. Garlic helps cleanse blood vessels and naturally thins the blood. Crush 1 clove of garlic and swallow it with water around 15 minutes before eating. Yes, the smell is strong, but the benefits are worth it. Now, why is the morning the ideal time for all of this? In the morning, your blood vessels respond more actively to stimulation. Your metabolism begins accelerating, and the hormones that affect circulation become more active. This is the moment when you set the rhythm for the entire day. If you get your blood flowing early, you'll start feeling vitality return, even in the areas that matter most. But what else can you do besides changing your diet? Nutrition is very important, but if you truly want to improve blood circulation in the pelvic region, you should include a few simple habits in your morning routine. Start with 5 minutes of squats, even right beside your bed, to activate the pelvic muscles. Take a contrast shower by alternating warm and cold water to help blood vessels expand and contract, improving circulation. A gentle lower back massage or light tapping of the buttocks can also increase blood flow to the pelvic organs. These habits are especially valuable for men who struggle with prostate problems and for women after menopause. The secret is consistency. You won't notice dramatic changes after only 1 day. But if you consistently follow these steps for 7 to 10 days, eating the right foods, performing simple exercises, and drinking the proper beverages, your body will begin responding. You'll feel warmth, renewed energy, and even an improvement in your mood. Your desire and abilities can come back, and believe me, that is valuable at any age. If you've watched this far, it means you truly care about your health, and that already puts you ahead of many others. Leave a like on this video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe. Here we speak honestly, openly, and only about the things that truly matter.